common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon on a Monday. What up, Dirk, Andres, Gary, Anna? The big house with the big dip in Ethereum that we were looking for. Wish we would have got a hair lower this morning. I had alarms down there at 1730. I wanted to buy a further break of 1720. We'll go over that. Don't really have a buy signal. Kind of trading off some Elliott Wave. Just looking for trades. Stocks a little higher. What up, kikes? Cryptos are in. So we're going to talk about stocks. Looking like they're getting ready for a sell. Cryptos. We're going to have to go over that. What up, Kevin? The wife, he's in here. Coin Ghost. Let's wait a minute here, get a few more people in here. Trickling in slowly. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I worked last night till 3 a.m., got to bed at 3, got woke up at 4 by Bitcoin. What up, Chemo? That could be the case. We'll watch that. Viewers a little slow here. Let's go ahead and jump in. We got Bitcoin Bitfinex. You can see technometer still at 46, lower right. That is not even at neutral, so not supporting any type of buy here. That's why we didn't buy this morning, even though we had some bullish counts of maybe 55, 56,000. Could be a short-term buy. We'll show that when we go over some Elliott Wave counts. Bitcoin USD consolidated, technometer 44.85 neutral. Bitcoin USDT consolidated, going to be about the same. 44.68. So again, neutral. We're going to see the same thing in Ethereum. So no reason to buy out here yet. Here's Ethereum, 44.3. You can see they're all locked in neutral. Litecoin. What's up, Big Black Hawk? Give you a wrench. 42.6 on Litecoin. So nothing going on. We're going to show you the Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. Let me throw that in here. You can see 40 is a buy on this thing. We've showed that's been a good buy point. We almost touched that the other day down there near the lows. We got a 41 reading. And right now we're 44.59. So once again, neutral. Nothing to talk about. Bitcoin 56,300, Ethereum 1787, Litecoin 202. Let's slide over here to the stocks. First of all, I've already made some of these up. Here's our Wyckoff Wave. Technometer's at 51.9. You can see that's the top end of the range. That is we're due for a pullback, need a correction, etc. So the Dow type stocks might be ready to roll over here. Here's the Wyckoff Wave Growth Index. Been much weaker, technometer 46. Any little rally here will probably take that to overbought. So again, we're starting to lean bearish on stocks. Have not given a sell to our Discord. We have sold a lot of our individual stock positions last week. Here's the SPY only at 44. So still room to rally on the SPY. So it kind of looks like there's just a little bit more strength maybe coming out of the S&P 500. What's up, Sir Bess, Lori, Matthew, Tom? Here's the DIA. It's overbought like the Wyckoff Wave is, 50.16. Got that marked in red. So once again, I think we're close to stocks reaching a top. I would think that causes an issue for crypto because I think they're all risk-on, risk-off assets. Here's QQQ at 44.8, starting to quickly go from oversold to neutral. Again, any further rally will go to overbought, probably pretty quick. While we're here, we will go over DXY, or actually here we're just going to show the UUP real quick. We can show the DXY with a different screen. You can see lower right technometer coming down to oversold, and the OP still hitting somewhat close to a new low. I think shorts are caught in the dollar, and I think we still are going to work higher here in the dollar. Hoping that provides more pressure to the GDX, which continues to bounce off the lows, taking some of our profits away. We're still short. We are trying to stay that way. TLT, we don't have all winners. TLT is a loser for us. We're long back at 145 or so, so we've got a decent loss in the TLT. We had 10 to 30% winners on some stocks last week. We are holding this one. Bonds do not look good. Something's going on over in the bond market, and any higher interest rates is going to continue to slap these growth stocks. So could get interesting here. Let's look at some Elliott Wave roadmaps. There's the 5-minute Dow chart. I will show, everyone knows at 55.6, excuse me, I had taken profits on some long Bitcoin and sold Ethereum at 1872. We did go in the other night at the highs of 61.6 and talked about the counts I'm getting ready to show you, that it looked like even the most bullish counts, we would top out up there 61.5, 61.6, and possibly come back down to 54,000 to 56,000. And you can see that's what we did do. We're going to show that count again. We've been showing it here. The bull count. Let me increase that so you can see it. Even on those bullish counts, I was calling for 5 waves up in the red. That's why I gave the sell a 61.6 right at the highs, because it was completing 5 up, which could have been 5 of 5 of 5 of 3, which means we could go down and see that 40,000 level. That is a pretty bearish count. I've also showed these counts where it was a B wave ending. Whether it's B of a flat or the most bullish would be a B wave of a triangle. That's why I've not bought this morning, because I'm worried that we're in the midst of a pretty good correction. To buy here, you would have to say to be a buyer here, you're going to have to say that that was just the first impulse of a 5-wave advance, so it's not 5 of 5 of 5 of 3 ending. It was only the wave 1 ending, and now we're doing a wave 2 here. It probably would stretch out for another day or two, and then it would be onward and upward. So that is a possibility. If you're extremely bullish, that's your count. That was only the first wave ending. My Wyckoff indicators do not support that, so we're going to stay with more of the bearish count. But we will look at that. We will monitor that. Ethereum, I had marked the sell at 1871. We're 1784, so you know, I think probably that could still be. Let's go to these I got marked. That's still the B wave ending. We could be in the middle of an extremely large decline in Ethereum, or as shown before, this could be a wave 4 ending, and we still got higher highs. So right now, I'm still leaning bearish because, again, the Wyckoff indicators are not friendly here. We're only trying to go off some Elliott Wave counts to give some type of bullish reading. And here's Litecoin. This count was a possibility, but we did overlap wave 1. So again, I don't think that's the count. It would look like probably, as I've been calling, ABC ended. And we're probably working on a triangle. Anything below 190 today, I might try to nibble on Litecoin. We're going to watch that. If you want actual trades, you've got to join the patreon.com/learncrypto. $40 a month. Here we've got NASDAQ up 82, Dow up 34, S&P up 9. Few stocks I've been trading. Abercrombie up another $2. Sold that one early. Square up another 6. Sold that one early. Mar up $1.89. Sold that one early. QFIN down at $2, but I sold that one early. Again, those were bounce trades. I thought that I could make some money. We made 10 to 30%. I didn't think it was start of the big rally, and I didn't want to get caught long, so I just took quick profits. So don't really look back on trades, but definitely if you took the buys, you could have got much higher prices on the sells than what I got. I don't have hot USDT in the software. I will look at it though. Not much to look at. A triple. That was a nice triangle pork blaster, as we've called it for a few years now. If you caught that, shout out to you, J-Hope. Appreciate it, Andres. Left a little bit on the table. Let's go back here. Nick also in the Discord gave a sell on BNB. I believe that was 274 and some change. So he caught this little rally here on another winner. He had a sell 274, would have been right here before the highs. We're looking to trade here because we think a lot of the home runs were already, you know, the 10x he made on this thing. Hard to do a 10x from here, so we're kind of in the trading mood. I'm going to keep slowly adding to our bags. Penn's had an unbelievable run. The day of the low on that thing at 4, I started researching it. It doubled the next day and was off to the races. So, did miss that one. That was in the middle of the pandemic. Too scared to jump on that one. So, unbelievable from there. If you own that one, still own that, shout out to you. I'm going to show the Mara trade, Andres. There was a trade we made. We bought that around 27 and change. Sold 39 and change. Again, it has worked a little bit higher. We still think these are probably B waves and stocks. So took our gains, want to protect our money. What's up, Handy? We're good here. There's Abercrombie and Fitch continuing higher after my sell. Square is another one that we liked, yet also continuing a little bit higher. Shout out to you, Jason, on that one. I don't trade those Reddit stocks at the moment. It is what it is, RJ says. No one has said that in a while here. Shout out to RJ. So guys, that's really probably all I got. Let me run a quick disclaimer.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
Got that out of the way. Do your own research. Be careful. Let's go back to Bitcoin here. 56,400. Could be a triangle here, and a way forward would make sense. Again, I might nibble a little bit if we get some type of break later today. I hear you on that, Jason. Good idea. So again, stocks a little higher and then ready to roll over. Bitcoin still worries me that it's going to roll over and follow stocks down. Could have some bounces. We're out of Bitcoin. We're out of Ethereum like a boss, so we're happy with that. Got to go over to Twitter and ruffle a few feathers now. EOS, I will look at that because I was looking at that closer last week. Again, it looks just a little heavy here, like we did an ABC down, ABC up, and maybe got some more weakness coming. I'd probably be a buyer of that back at the 420 level or something if it started to show strength. What up, Joel? Thanks, Mohammed. Give you a wrench. Obviously, you're in Discord. TRX, I will show. I'm not sure I have ever traded TRX. Same type of thing. That looks a little heavy to me. What up, Craig? Livu. XRP. XRP looks like it wants to go down and visit the low 30 levels to me. I would think we got somewhere we're going to go down here and tag this below 35, shake a few feathers maybe. So I'm not in XRP, not one that we really trade. The crypto platform, if you're asking about the software, it is not still available to subscription. I do have a developer here in St. Louis starting to work on that. Worked all day yesterday on some things, so we got some cool stuff we're getting ready to launch here. Hopefully one of that is going to be the crypto software. I'm keeping prices hopefully at low levels. We're trying to build out the community, not take people's money. So we're going to get it set up where we can offer that at a very low rate to put it in everybody's hands. Get way more discussion, way more community going for Wyckoff. Also with some Elliott Wave courses. I am working closely with Elliott Wave here. I've mentioned that, going to be an affiliated educator. I use Elliott Wave roadmaps, definitely on top of crypto, not as much on top of stocks. I do not trade sushi. That would be Nick. Nick is talking now at the Wyckoff SMI Gold channel. He trades the smallers and the micro caps for the Discord. We've got about 550 people now over in the Discord, so shout out to that group. We started out with about 40 loyals and have built that thing up. $56,470 on Bitcoin, showing a little bit of strength again. Let's go back to the 5-minute. Again, looks a little bit maybe like a triangle forming, so we're going to watch. Yeah, sorry about that. I need to clean up some of my Elliott Wave labeling. Appreciate it, Lori. There's Nick showing the trades he has been taking. So that's all I got. Do your own research. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm going to run a couple commercials for Discord and our private client group where we manage stock and crypto assets for clients. BNB, we're probably going to continue to trade that thing here, but ultimately probably looking still for higher. ADA, I'm a buyer on a pullback. So that's all I got. And we will probably catch you tomorrow. I never did make it home. I'm too busy. Too busy here trading and building a few things behind the scenes for everybody. So for Voodoo, I use Wyckoff indicators, optimism, pessimism, force technometer. Indicators proprietary to the Wyckoff Institute. The Richard Wyckoff started in 1931 that I now own. Strictly, basically use those. I don't have much use of anything else. Here's a couple commercials. Catch you probably tomorrow. Thanks for the support.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/LearnCrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
To our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
Are you trading or investing in the fast-moving and exciting cryptocurrency markets? If so, you need to learn how to identify primary trading opportunities by implementing the Wyckoff trading methods, which was created by world-renowned stock speculator Richard D. Wyckoff. This online course teaches all you need to know to increase your returns while minimizing your risk using the Wyckoff trading method. Over 915 students have enrolled in the course since its launch in late 2017. LearnCrypto.io is owned and operated by Wyckoff SMI, also known as Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, which has been an authority on the Wyckoff trading method for over 85 years. Founded by Richard Wyckoff in the 1930s, Wyckoff Stock Market Institute has owned the rights of the Wyckoff trading course since the beginning. Take advantage today of this excellent course and begin reaping the rewards of a time-tested method from the grandfather of technical analysis, Richard D. Wyckoff.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.